Hi there, students. An Eidolon. Okay, an Eidolon is a representation of an idea, an image, and represented in an ideal form. Maybe some sort of ghost or some sort of imaginary entity. So, for example, I think if you saw the ghost of beauty, this would be an eidolon. I've been wondering for a while if the ghosts that visit Scrooge in A Christmas Carol are eidolons, because I think maybe they're some of them at least are hopes for the future, and clearly this is an ideal representation of this. Yeah. Okay, so an eidolon, it's a an image of an ideal. It's an idealized figure, very often in the form of a ghost. So my girlfriend is the eidolon of beauty itself. She is like the image of beauty. She is the ideal of beauty. Yeah. The imprint of it. The eidolon we can also use to talk about the imprint or the image of the body left after death on the astral plane. So the eidolon is like an apparition or a ghost, yeah, or perhaps a revenant or some sort of spirit or spectre. Okay, so an eidolon, a ghost, but normally a ghost representing some sort of ideal, some sort of feeling, some sort of emotion, some sort of concept. So there is always an eidolon of the spirit of justice over this courtroom. Yeah. Or maybe a battlefield carries this an eidolon of death, destruction, and pain. It's like there's a ghost living in it. There's a ghost hanging over it. This phantom, this ghost. So an eidolon. An idealized figure, a perfect figure of something. So maybe our heroes are eidolons of the characteristics which we think are desirable in society. So normally in the movies, the heroes or the heroines are eidolons. They are a perfect image. They represent fairness and justice, and they always win out over evil. Notice as well, you can actually have an adjective, Eidolic, or Eidolic. An Eidolic phantom, an Eidolic apparition, an Eidolic ghost. It's like a manifestation or a feeling, but it's the perfect representation of something as well. Okay, so let's see. Formality. This is a very literary word. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal or a formal writing. Semi-formal conversation, maybe just. And as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek. Eidolon, a figure, a representation, from eidos, sight. From Eido, I see. It goes with this idea, this word of idol, and idea. Yeah, so it's like an idea, an eidolon, an idealized idea represented as a spirit or a ghost or a phantasm or some sort of feeling. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Eidolon Eidolic.